Man, I'm talking about I need some more now than never before. It's real out here. My little chocolate fixation, man.
Ooh, she leaking. My bad. Oh, I look so cute in my two little pigtails. But yes, I'm making me some breakfast here. Got this going on. I just packaged my mangoes for the freezer dear. So I'm about to put these in the freezer. And so basically this is 2 different smoothies. So we love that. Got enough pineapple. 1, 2, 3, and then this. So I'm not gonna buy no more pineapple. I'm gonna leave this in the Frigidaire until it starts to get brown, and then once she get brown and I figure I'm not gonna eat her, I'll put her up. But I kind of wanted to kind of eat a mango. These pineapples, these strawberries been ass, but I knew that, so we're gonna go ahead and put her in the freezer since she's already kind of like done with. Which when I got these strawberries, I was like, we're gonna eat it until they can't get eaten no more anyway, because I knew they were bad. But these type of strawberries are the type of strawberries you kind of want to get to freeze strawberries. So yeah, just a tidbit tip. Baby, whole cubby moved right here. He was sitting right here. He know I'm about ready to go, but he was sitting right here. I saw him, but oh my god, it is a whole mood. Like, I'm sorry. I just love this for him. Boy, something happened to you, Oh, you been yarning, or you been crying. Which one is it? Boy, don't be scaring me like that. That's something happened to you. I said, who hurt you? He's like, bitch, whatever. I had no clue. Coco Jones.
Never mind, don't matter.
She asked too. I had no clue. But there she go. Wait. Wait. There she go. I thought I was tripping. Anyway, it's Fri-Yay, and we're about to start our Fri-Yay off with these black beans who have been sitting in this water for 2 days, soaking, cleaning, all that. So we're about to add our water. We're gonna add our onion and jalapeno meat. Onion. I need some more jalapeno and onion. We got the seasoning packet that came with the beans. Oh yeah, that's a lot. That is a lot. I feel like that is way more than what I do. So, put that in there. We're gonna put this on like medium heat. We are gonna dump out the water. Rinse it off. You smell these beans? Put it in the pot. And that's enough water, so I don't need to add no more. So we're gonna have that boiling, and then once I go to sleep, I'm gonna probably put it on like number 3 or in between 2 and 3. So yeah. So now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna wash our dishes, and we're gonna get started on the cookies real quick, and then I'm gonna put my oven on because I need to make my pain medicine. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the oven on 130. Let me see what 130 look like. I always do this. It don't go no lower. Oh no. It don't go no lower. I'm confused now. I always do this. Cause I could have swore I put it at 1. I'm so confused now. What do I be baking under this on? Okay, so that's crazy. Okay, so I'm cooking it on 170. I don't know why I feel like I've been going lower than this and it's not letting me. But I don't know. Because I always get confused. But no, I know for a fact I've never cooked this on 170. Let me put it on warm and see. I don't know what. Okay, I was about to say I know. So it's on 145. But I really could have swore I put it on something less than that. So that's 5 degrees over the actual temperature should be at. So I don't know, I'm so confused. But yeah, so instead of cooking it for 45 minutes, I'll probably cook it for 20 to 30 minutes, or honestly I'll probably just go off the smell. That's probably what I'll do, and I'll look at it and all that stuff. So I ain't gonna break my neck too much, but when you're cooking your medicine 100%, you have to cook it at 140 or below. Alright, so first things first, we're starting off with 4 sticks of butter, basically softened. And then I like to do everything kind of like a little step by step. So I'm going to whip this up real quick, and then we're just going to add everything else. Step, but your butter should be this soft where you should be able to do this. So we're gonna add in 4 eggs. Whip that on up a little bit. Okay. Then we're gonna add, you have 1 packet of instant, keyword instant vanilla pudding. And 9 times out of 10, this is like a French vanilla. I'm always going for the extra. So this is probably French vanilla. And then we have our sugar, 1 cup of sugar. And then 1 cup of technically light brown sugar. Technical is the light part. And then normally you would add you like a cap full of your instant vanilla, but yeah. But I do know that you don't want to add too much because then it can be overpowering, and this stuff is very strong and very potent. So that was probably just about enough. And literally, because I can eyeball stuff, that's the only reason why. Like, I probably could have did 4 now that I'm talking, but I feel like 4 would have just been too much. And then another ingredient that my mom never has added is ground cinnamon. And literally,
bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Juice up, Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss. Little bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Hey, little bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Hey, you know I love it when you talk dirty. Messy, you my orange soda shorty. You act like a lil me, I wanna fuck you. You the type to kill me, I won't touch you.
okay, so that's all whipped up into its consistency. And then next, you're gonna pour in 4 cups of flour slowly, because this is the messy part. In 3, 2, 1. Flour goes everywhere. Flour goes everywhere. That's why it's important to just slowly add it in. That's why I was so happy that this bag is exactly 4 cups, which is 32 ounces. So I was so happy about that. And then it's also heavy. So as it starts to get tough, you have to put in a little bit of extra effort. So you can lift the bag into it or adjust the temperature accordingly. I adjust the temperature, which I think this one is about to go out anyway because of the last time when I adjusted the temperature, the speed. So she may not even go that well when I go high, so we'll see. And this is a shout out to all the bakers. Like, just now with me using the hand mixer, I can feel, you know, it's getting heavier. And I just had this thought, like, literally everybody who buys something from you, if you're gonna ask somebody what their price is, respect their price, because this is a part of their price. Because they gotta go get this shit massaged out. They gotta go work this shit out in the gym. They gotta go put some weight on this arm in the fucking gym. Like, please keep in mind, like, you're not just paying for their rent, their supplies, bills for their shop, bills for their home, bills for their kids. Like, literally, you are paying this person for the luxury part of making sure they can still supply and demand you with the product that you love so much. So next time you complain about somebody's price, really think about that shit. Like, you not just paying somebody's fucking rent. And the fact that y'all think that that is what predominantly somebody is trying to do, bitch, yes, we all are trying to fucking pay our rent. So for you to even that be your issue, bitch, you being a fucking hater. Like, you go to your job and you complain about how you don't get paid enough, but then here you go sitting up here having the nerve to be mad at somebody because they're charging you a price that literally, technically, you charge the same price and you working for somebody fucking else. Like, miss me with that. You not just paying for this person's livelihood, you are paying for the product to begin with. The product gets all the money first. The owner don't get shit until the products are ready for shipping. Like, I can go on and on. So I just had that thought, and we're gonna continue.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.
All right, now if you wanted to rise, you can add this, but literally, I tell you a little. Like, for some reason, my mom would always tell my sister and I how much to put in there, and we always fucked it up, and we put exactly the spoon that she handed us and everything. So me personally, that's what I do. That's what I do. And it's been working, so I just put just a very, very little, and I keep it moving. So, yeah.
Now one step or two, get all the cash I blew. Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare.
Now, this not a big mess, and I don't really even know if you can see the little bit. Okay, yeah, you can see the little bit, but clean up. They have to clean up right after they finish. And literally, cleaning this stuff off is a task in itself. And number one, this could be the flour or it could be the eggs, but this is the difference. And it also could have been the butter, because the butter probably was a healthy butter in a sense. So yeah, this is how it's looking, but really I feel like it's the flour. But low-key, I feel like I may like it. So low-key, I'm excited. So let's see. And then I just scrape the sides, and I'm about to, you see all of this right here, butter. I just got all of this from the side. So you want to make sure you scrape your bowl. Try to hand blend it first before you do anything else, because you might have to go back through with the blender. So I'm just gonna put all of this towards the middle so I can get most of that butter that was to the side mixed in some more. Okay, so last time I ended up combining the sprinkles with the chocolate chips. So this go around it's gonna be a whole thing, and it looks so pretty already. So we're gonna add the rest of this. Oh, making a mess. I'm so excited. Let me stop. Then we got our chocolate chips, our favorite chocolate chips. That's the whole bag, basically. I don't know how I got melted pieces, but we're gonna add the melted pieces as well. I'm just gonna break it up. I thought I wanted some chocolate last night, so I attempted to try to eat it, but I literally just ate probably like 3 chocolate chips and I was done. And I was very happy for that. And then our funfetti, which I don't know if we add in the whole bag or not, but we sure about to find out. This is melted too, so it was probably this area just hot. Then that's probably all it was. So yeah, it's gonna be very chocolate. But I said it. I was like, I think I'm gonna pour everything in there, and I just did. So we're gonna mix it all up. And the best way to mix it is to basically try to fold it versus churn it. Because you can just do this. And it's still getting mixed up. Oh! No, she did it. Okay, so ever since my grocery haul, low-key, I just had a feeling when I was doing that video, and as well when I was editing, how I need to actually show you how I start, just in the sense of how I basically do my grocery list. Like, I don't write it down. What I did the last time worked so perfectly, and I was like, this is what I have to do from now on. And I remember I used to do this, so I don't know where in life I stopped doing this type of thing. But we're couponing, but we're not couponing. The only thing I'm doing is cutting out Pacific sales items. Specifically Randall's, I can coupon and use my app. I don't know all these other stores, and I'm okay with that. I'm just not that, like, desperate for sales in a sense, and I don't eat much as it is. So literally I look at the stores I shop at, and I look at the ad, and I just see what they have on sale that I actually will eat. And normally when I do that, as I'm looking through the paper, I start putting a meal together for the week. Or as I'm grocery shopping, I'm like, okay, I can pick up this and based off what I picked up, as well as what I see in the store that motivates that meal that I'm probably already picking up, type of thing. So normally that's how I do my grocery shopping, since I really don't be knowing what to eat. So all I'm going to do is just look through here and clip exactly what I want. And I know I want this Dove soap and maybe the Listerine, and honestly maybe the straws, but I always check on the other side before I clip, just in case there's something on both sides, and then I know how to cut accordingly. But most of the time it don't work like that, and I haven't had, no, it has, but it worked out. I lied. So toothpaste, that's a yes. It's Colgate toothpaste. It's a toothpaste I actually use, and it's a limited one for $1.49 each. I have one, so that'll be towards the back of. And then on the other side, I wanted to basically do the Dove soap, the straws, and the Listerine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and clip all of these. And all of these are my just for you savings. So when I'm ready to go to the store, or right before I go to the store, 9 times out of 10, I sit in the parking lot and I see all my just for you ones. I add them, and then we go from basically that, and then we take the sales ad with us. So, okay, so off the top, I want this $5 pizza, chips, and possibly this sausage, hot dogs. And I'm not a Lunchable girl, but right now I might have to force myself to be a Lunchable girl, and possibly a Lunchable, or I might buy some sandwich meat, because I kind of been wanting a sandwich. It's just, if I make a sandwich for work, I'm going to have to remember to basically heat up my meat in the morning. And then they have bread on sale for just for you, and hopefully this time I can find bread. But I don't know, I might have to go to the grocery store on Monday if I can't find bread, but then I guess it just depends. So they have some bread I want to get, and then I've been wanting some burritos. Like, I was walking the dog and I was like, I need something different. And I have a weird obsession with eating the frozen burritos with some rice, and that's what I was thinking. I was like, I just need me some frozen burritos. I'm kind of getting the gist of, as long as I follow the directions on the rice packet, then I can successfully cook rice. And they have these burritos on sale for 9 cents each, and you get 12. Like, you're limited to 12. So I for sure want to get these burritos. Like, when you don't know what to eat. And honestly, I want this pizza too. Like, I really been wanting the pizza, and that pizza I made last time, it was okay, but it didn't hit the spot. But this pizza is DiGiorno, and DiGiorno 100% hits the spot for me. And if I just go grocery shopping at Randall's, I just go grocery shopping at Randall's. And I don't think there was nothing on the other side. Yeah, that's nothing but ice cream shit. So I want to do that, and then we're going to cut out the bread, because we're trying to be a responsible adult. And right now, I want to try to eat actual sandwich bread versus my Hawaiian rolls, because I want to eat sandwiches. And then, oh, my chips. Oh, and then the sausage. Let me look on the other side before I start cutting. I don't think I want anything. Yeah, I don't want anything. So I'm just going to cut off my chips. And the thing about the chips is, this is the part of the buy one get one free. So I can get me 2 bags of chips, and it wouldn't matter the price, because I'm basically going to be spending $2.50, because I just round every bag of chips up to $5. So you split $5 in half, that's $2.50. You're spending $2.50 per bag of chips. Ooh, cross our fingers, Funyuns on there, because I saw Funyuns somewhere, I think in a sale, another sales ad, and I was like, you know what, I ain't had them hoes in a minute. So yeah, we're gonna get that, and our handy dandy red bag Doritos that are killing us, but that's all right, because we are getting very good with not eating so much chips. I'm so proud of myself for that. So honestly, I might look at the soda. I'm not, because I hate bottle sodas, because I'm not gonna drink the whole thing. And anytime I ever buy a bottle soda, I always feel like I have to drink the whole thing that day. And yeah, we're not about that life no more. So we're gonna leave that there. I'm just gonna clip out the peaches, because I just want more peaches, which I feel like I found peaches somewhere else, but I like Randall's peaches. Like, Randall's peaches has always slapped, so we're probably gonna stick with Randall's. And then next we have, I think it's Food Town. That's my friend. We're gonna go with Fiesta. So then I just put everything for Randall's in a pile by yourself. Oops, sorry. Oh, we don't want that. I was about to say reach. So we got this in a pile by itself, and then we just keep each store in a pile by itself type of thing. So that's just all I do, nothing special. And some of the stuff in the sales ad, we really don't know what the price is. So a lot of times if I feel like it's still too expensive, I don't get it. But 9 times out of 10, the expensive stuff is coming with something free. And Randall's always doing a buy one, get one free type of stuff anyway. Like sodas, if you wait for the right time, you can stock up on sodas at Randall's. And I think that's what I waited on, because I try to keep Sprite specifically on deck. But even Coke, like lately when I have stomach aches, Coke's been helping a lot better than Sprite. So okay, so I just clipped everything, and then literally this is how you put your budget in. So at this store, I'll be spending about $8 if I get this from this store. But cheaper buy would be to go to this store and get the sausage, including going to Randall's, and then I can get more, probably Lunchable and lunch meat than anything. So we'll see, because that's not an important buy. So we could take away this, since we know we can get sausage cheaper from here. But this store, I wasn't expecting to find some good things at this store. So Food Aroma at this point got these Eggos on sale, which I like waffles. I eat these. I like the Salisbury steak, so I'll go get this and just literally take the Salisbury steak out and then make my sides. I've been wanting popcorn, and this is not a bad buy, whether I get 1 or 2. So we hitting up this store. We for sure hitting up Randall's, because these burritos, for sure, like we can't pass these up. And then let me see. Oh, my chips. So for sure we going to Randall's. The bread, the toothpaste, yeah. So we hitting up Randall's, which that's normally the first store. We start off at the expensive store, and then we go down to Maine, and then I can get these from Fiesta. And then also I think I'm gonna save it for when I get home. So then it'll be this store, which I can't think of the name of it, and this is a extra, so I'm not even expecting to get the brownies or the Pop-Tarts. And then depending on the beans, I have 2 options at that store. Preferably I prefer Bush, but the pork and beans, they can do. But 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna get the Bush, because that's what I like. I'm not a cereal girl, I'm not a milk girl, but this cereal, I've been wanting some cereal. So I'm just gonna get some Frosted Flakes and then just use water. Grapes are on sale, even though I still have grapes, but I'm probably gonna start putting those in the freezer. And then this bag of apples is on sale, so I'm gonna get that, because I like apples even though they're not good for us. So yeah, that's my mini little grocery list in a sense. And literally I just do everything along the way home, regardless of whether I'm gonna do it after work or just wait till Monday. And then come Monday, we probably work backwards. But 9 times out of 10, we start in the city and then bring our ass back home. I don't know where this store is, so this would be like the one where it would be like a hit and miss, because I don't think it's close to me anywhere. So yeah, we'll see about that store. I got my greenery ready. We're gonna put it in this jar right here. My oil is melted and ready to go. And yeah, I got my stuff in the jar, and we're just gonna pour. And you see how it's like literally emulsified all over the place. That's what you want. That's the type of consistency you want. If you want it to be strong, Now, if you want it to be light, just put half as much. But honestly, you want it strong because you get more use when it's stronger because you're using it less. I'm gonna have this chilling right now, but we're about to put these cookies in. I'm excited to see how these about to taste because they look so different, but I think they'll be fine. I just hope they fire with all this chocolate. And then we got our chicken wings set. Now, I didn't think they was going to defrost so fast, but I'm gonna make some chicken wings. We're gonna fry it. So I don't think I'm gonna use this. I think I'm gonna take this out. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna do all of this after I get in from walking the dog, but I kind of want to make my cookies now and then come back. But I don't know. Because I got to go do something to the car. We'll see. Cookies are ready with flash. 100% that flour is what made my cookies look like this. But I'm excited. So I have this cooling off. This is probably going to be taking a minute. And then once that cools down, we're going to put this in there. And if you can't tell from cooking it, she's already turning green. If you can't already tell, she already working. So I'm just going to have her in this corner over here, just chilling until it's time for her. I have these cooling off over here. We're just gonna put it on top of this, generate a little heat. Got our oil on. We're gonna make us some fried chicken and french fries tonight, especially since it's Friday. This is how my beans looking. I let it boil for a while. Now I turned down the temperature and I added more water. And next, we are waiting for the sun to go down some more so we can walk Mr. Sir here. So I think I'm gonna cut his nails now instead of waiting until it's time to go. Well, until we come back. So come on, Mr. Snoopy. Why does it stink in here? I don't know. It stank in my room. It could be these onions.
Oh. What happened? However, oh damn. Did she put this on first and then the dress, or the dress on afterwards? My favorite girl is home with me forever. It's like, okay, I'm gonna go up there.
Good job.
What about it?
It's perfectly in there, Mom. It fits perfectly in there.
The camera came in, like boom, right there in your face, Nip.
Stop.
Okay.
Sit down.
Okay.
Sit.
Nipsey Hussle.
Sit down. Sit your ass down. Sit down. Stop. Don't start acting like this. Now stop.
And let's jump into today's vlog and see what's going on.
but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know the mother guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me to.
Video, it still got a nice amount of views, and the engagement was
Bye.
insane. Like, I got over 1,000 people into the giveaway that just really wanted to, you know, leave a kind comment and a kind, and I truly appreciate that, y'all have.
Got the cookie. About to try it real quick on camera so I can put them up or do whatever it is I want to do with them. I got me some crunch. That's what I like. It's good. It took a minute because I had to make sure I could taste the flavor. I have the crunchy like vibe I want. 100%. It's probably the eggs, the flour, the butter. They got it looking like this, but it's good. It is. Like, yeah, next day will be on and popping, which I was hoping for that because then I can have cookies tomorrow for lunch or whatever. If I'm hungry, snack. Like, I'm making some wings and I'm gonna make enough for lunch, but have something for energy, a quick little snack. Yeah. And I really don't taste the cinnamon either. So I'm excited to see how it tastes tomorrow. Because sometimes the next day be slapping way better than fresh thing. But yeah, they're good. I done ate the whole cookie, obviously.
With the V-Time and the East Laurent. She drive a Nissan, and she in a Pima. I don't want her.